Today, we'll be talking about soaps and what soap you should be using on your ride.
Soaps. Lots of soap.
Every car is different. Some cars have glossy paint, matte paint, stainless steel like Cybertrucks, wraps. Emily, take it away.
The first soap we're going to talk about is HydroSuds. It is a ceramic car wash soap, so it provides protection, hydrophobic properties.
HydroSuds can only be used on glossy surfaces. Since it has SiO2 in it, which is ceramic, and it has gloss enhancers, you do not want to be using this on matte paint. But do not worry, going on to the next soap, we do have something for matte surfaces. This is Meticulous Matte. Now, Meticulous Matte is going to add high amounts of suds, and is also going to allow you to glide your washman across the surface and not going to add any unwanted shine. So how you want to think about it is something that's satin should stay satin, something that should be glossy should stay glossy. Now, if you do have a ceramic coating like Emily on her Tesla, you would be using HydroSuds to maintain your ride. So like this, you rejuvenate your ceramic properties, bring out the vibrant shine again, and nonetheless, give it hydrophobic properties, right?
Right. We love extra protection. Next, citrus wash and gloss.
So, citrus wash and gloss is actually one of our toughest soap we offer here at Chemical Guys. I mean, this one can strip off sealants, glazes, waxes, protections that might be seen on the surface of your car. A little bit goes a very long way. If you want something for just the maintenance wash, 1 ounce. If you want to strip everything off and start again, so use 3 ounces or more. Now, if you do have a ceramic coating on your car, that's a true ceramic coating, this will not remove it. Remember, this will only remove like a wax, a glaze, a sealant, something that's more synthetic than something that's actually going to harden onto the paint. If you have a side-by-side, if you have a big rig, if you have a super dirty car, use citrus wash and gloss. It's going to give it a just wax finish, but it has no type of protection whatsoever. It's just simply going to clean up everything very thoroughly. So, Emily, question for you.
Okay.
If I'm looking for something that has protection in my wash, what should I be using? How can I bring out more shine, more protection?
Extreme body wash and wax. It's a wash and wax in one.
Do you know how many waxes it has inside?
Carnauba.
And
Synthetic.
a synthetic, all it means is a human being went inside there, modified the formula. That's what makes it synthetic. A carnauba is going to be natural. But keep this in mind. HydroSuds is intended for a car that has ceramic properties in it, which is going to rejuvenate the ceramic coating again. Extreme body wash and wax is only going to give it a wax look to it. It's not going to give it the 3 months protection. It's not going to give it the 2 months protection. It's just going to enhance the just wax finish while delivering some type of protection in it. So if you're looking for high amounts of protection, HydroSuds, low amounts of protection but very shiny finish, go with this one. Now, Emily, I have this one up here. This is actually a fan favorite right here. So Hybrid V07 is intended for dark colored cars, especially black colored cars. This is going to give it a radiant shine. I mean, you use it to wash your car's gonna look like it's wet. But it has no type of wax protection whatsoever. This only has gloss enhancers in it, Emily. So if you're looking for something basic to wash your car, something that's pH neutral, you could use a Hybrid V07. Now, going back to the pH neutral, I know this will be in the comment section down below. Which of these is not pH neutral, do you think?
This one.
The answer is correct. So every soap is pH balanced. What is pH balanced? pH balanced means it will not strip off anything that's sitting on your car. A glaze, sealant, wax, ceramic, spray sealant, spray wax. It's not going to strip off anything. It's just going to enhance shine, protection once again. If you are looking for something to strip off your car, citrus wash and gloss. Now, I hardly touched bases on this one just because we were going back and forth. But Meticulous Matte is a great soap for matte color cars. It's also pH balanced. And if you do have a Cybertruck, you could also wash your stainless steel with that. So all it is just basically a soap. And this is intended for matte finishes. And these other ones are intended for gloss finishes. But keep this in mind, every car is different. So Emily, on the other hand, she likes using HydroSuds. I like using Hybrid V07. At the end of the day, we get our shine on.
Soaps.
So, like this, if you follow these easy steps on these 5 easy soaps to choose from, you know exactly what soap you should be using on your ride.
To apply any of these, you can use the same method for all of them. You can use the 2-bucket method. You can use a foam cannon, a foam blaster. All of them go on the same, so it's super easy if you're switching between any of them on your vehicle.
So now, Emily, that we went over these 5 different soaps, where can they find it?
They can find it at their local detail garage, online at chemicalguys.com, on Amazon, Walmart, AutoZone, all those great stores.
I mean, the list goes on. If you do need any Chemical Guys products, like she mentioned, chemicalguys.com, or go on Google, type in Chemical Guys, and like that, you'll find the soap nearest you. As always, if you guys want to see more Emily, drop a comment down below. Let her know what your animal's name is, and we'll see you next time. You gotta walk out. Go that way.
Soaps. Lots of soap.